Hi everybody, I'm Joey with Create with Joey, and I'm here to tell you about my Oh Holy Night Christmas card stamp camp. So what is a stamp camp? So that's where I prepare all the supplies for you for multiple cards. In this case, you're going to make 12 cards, 6 of each design, and sorry, 2 each of 6 designs. And I prepare everything for you, and you get about $40 worth of products on top of that to make more cards. So you'll get embellishments and designer series paper, and all the cards are cut for you. I do all the embossing and cutting for everything except for what's included in the Oh Holy Night suite. So in other words, you'll need this stamp set and dies, which is called Stars at Night. Yes, Stars at Night. And then the other one is called Night Divine, and then the accompanying dies that go with those. So you'll need both of those bundles to create your cards. If you want to add them to your registration, you can add them, and I'll pay the cost of the tax and shipping. So that part I do as just an extra benefit for you. But you have the time to register is right now, which is November 8th through, what's that date? I think November 16th, I think. And you can find more details about it at createwithjoey.com. But I thought I'd go ahead and come on and show you the cards today so you know what you would be making. Let me just grab the stack here. A couple of these are fun folds. So here's one. I'll just give you a sneak peek of these. Here's one of the fun folds. So this opens, there's the white nativity in the front, and then you have the beautiful stars on the inside, and you can see the shimmering paper here as well. This one, Oh Holy Night, and then you've got some shimmering gold on that one too. Here's a really blingy one if you like blingy cards. So here we go with this one. And here's another fun fold. So this one folds flat like this in your envelope, but then it opens like this. And you can see from the top. So that's a fun fold. Get a PDF tutorial with all the directions, detailed directions and photos of how to make these. And then this one, the little shepherd over Bethlehem with the night star there. So this class is $58, and if you need it shipped, then postage is extra. So I will put a link in the video description under the video where it's, sorry, tongue-tied, having trouble focusing today, but I'll put a link for the class in the video description on YouTube, or if you're watching this on my Facebook page, I'll put a link in the comments. All right, everybody, take care. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.